All right, your boy's back. Your boy's back. Been gone for 10 days. And when you come back, you get 10 cars waiting for you. So basically they let a car sit per day while I was gone here. So I wanted to make a quick short video. Everyone loves short shorts apparently these days, especially all the men out there. Drives me insane, man. You even got fucking Nike and Jordan selling shorts called fucking shorties, bro. Like, what is going on? But anyways, just a quick short video. 2025 Nissan Rogue. It's got a pretty bad engine noise. This is another rental car. So with these Nissan Rogues, I just wanted to go over, oh my gosh, that noise, number one. This car has full oil. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, it's farting. Oh, it's hurting. So it's got some really bad rattle. It sounds to me like in the timing area. This thing had a couple codes. It had a air fuel mixture code, bank 1. It had a camshaft correlation timing code, bank 1, and it had an oil pressure code, bank 1. Don't buy a Nissan. Don't know why you would. Don't know why you even like them. Oil pressure is good. Okay, Nissan recommends that you get your oil changed every 7,500 miles, but they also have a recall for this exact problem because the oil gets overheated, it loses its viscosity, and it creates problems with the bearings, and it makes the oil pump hard to pressurize the system properly. So then you end up with issues like a jump chain or damaged bearings. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to make a little quick short video. Don't wait 7,500 miles to get your oil changed, okay? Do it at 2,000 or 2,500. You know, even 3,000 in some cases is a little suspect to me. So y'all love your little shorties. Until the next one.